Hi, welcome to my lesson teacher physics. My lesson teacher physics is a channel where you can get all your lecture videos on physics. It is meant for those of you in SS1, SS2 and SS3, where I had to go through each topic as requested or as required for you in the senior secondary school according to the revised curriculum of the Federal Ministry of Education. In SS1, we shall be looking at the various themes and topics as stated in the curriculum. We shall also look at the exercises. We shall be solving most of them. I shall dedicate my time in explaining to you how these can be solved. If you are having an issue in physics, this is a medium where some of these problems can be resolved. I shall be posting daily lessons on physics for those of you in SS1, SS2, and in SS3. You can also book for a paid session where you have to interact with me and equally solve some of these problems yourself. You can use the link below to chat me up on WhatsApp where we can make further discussions on classes. For those of you who are unable to do that, I shall be dropping daily classes on physics for you. All these are done in a video lectures. Kindly like these videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel on Facebook, on YouTube at my lesson teacher Matt, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at my lesson teacher physics. Use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. For if I can help somebody as I pass along, then my living shall not be in vain. See you in our class. Do have a nice day.